Yawning is contagious, but did you know even just thinking about yawning might make you do it? Studies show there's a 70% chance you'll yawn after hearing this. Feeling it yet? Yawns even cluster at certain times of day. It's not just humans. Cats do it too, especially when they're relaxed. Scientists think contagious yawning helps synchronize group behavior, like syncing up nap time or winding down together. Still holding back a yawn? Let us know in the comments if you made it through without one.